God didn't erase the Red Sea, He parted it. Similarly, He won't always remove your problems, but He will always make a way for you to overcome them. God didn't remove the mountains, He gave you the strength to climb them. Similarly, He won't always eliminate your obstacles, but He will empower you to conquer them with perseverance. God didn't calm the storms, He offered His peace amidst the chaos. Likewise, He doesn't always eliminate the turbulence in your life, but He provides His calming presence to guide you through it. God didn't shield you from trials, He strengthens you to endure them. Similarly, He doesn't always prevent adversity, but He fortifies you to withstand it with His unwavering support. God didn't extinguish the flames, He walked with you through the fire. Similarly, He won't always spare you from trials, but He accompanies you through the furnace, shielding you with His presence and love. If you believe this message resonates with you, please comment, "Have